This Iced VoVo Tart is inspired by the Aussie classic biscuit, a gorgeous Iced VoVo cookie base, marshmallow and raspberry layered filling with whipped cream and coconut. A gorgeous tart for your eyes and a delicious treat for your taste buds. For those of you who don't know what Iced VoVos are, they're an Aussie cookie or biscuit. We call them biscuits here. There's marshmallow, 2 strips of that, and in the center is a raspberry filling topped with coconut. These things are absolutely delicious and they're what is inspiring the flavors and look of today's tart. Begin by adding the Iced VoVo biscuits into the bowl of a food processor along with some digestive biscuits. Now I've left instructions on how to replace these biscuits or cookies in the written recipe if you can't find Iced VoVo biscuits. Pulse these until you reach a fine crumb, then add some melted butter and pulse to coat the crumbs. Add that to a 9-inch tart tin with straight sides and a removable bottom. Use the back of a spoon to press firmly into the sides and bottom of the tart. Once you've done that, pop this in the fridge to chill, and let's move on to the first filling, which is the marshmallow filling. Add some marshmallows and milk to a heat-proof bowl and microwave for about 30 seconds until it's nice and melted, and when you mix it, it's nice and smooth. Set that aside to cool down slightly, and we're going to whip some cream, so heavy cream and some vanilla extract to a large mixing bowl. I'm using electric beaters to whip this to stiff peaks. We're going to add half of that to our marshmallow mixture and fold it through using a spatula. Then once you've done that, add the other half and repeat. Pour that mixture into your chilled tart tin, and this is the first layer that needs to chill in the fridge. For the raspberry layer, we're going to be using frozen raspberries. You can use fresh if you're rich, but frozen is probably better. They're just as delicious, but they cost way less. Add some sugar to the bowl along with some lemon juice and microwave for about 3 minutes. Stir and then microwave for another 2 minutes. Now the mixture is going to be really piping, bubbling hot, so be careful when you take it out. To set this, we're going to be using some cold water and gelatin mixed together. Let this set for about 5 minutes to bloom or soak in that water. Then add it to the warm raspberry mixture and mix until it's nice and melted. Pour that on top of your chilled marshmallow layer and spread around evenly. This is going to go in the fridge to chill for another 2 hours. You need it to set really well. Now to top this, we're going to be using some whipped cream with vanilla extract, and optional, but I would recommend some pink food gel just to give it a bit of extra visual flair. Whip this to stiff peaks and we're ready to decorate. Now I found, because we're going to be piping rings on top of this tart, using a cookie cutter about 1 inch in diameter to kind of gently indent the top middle of your tart is going to give you a good head start to make sure this looks nice and neat when you pipe. So you're going to indent and then pipe using a small star tip around that indent. Use that as a guide to pipe the other circles around it. Finish with some desiccated unsweetened coconut. And guys, look how gorgeous and cute this is, and it definitely tastes as delicious as it looks. If you want to grab the recipe, it's over on my website, scranline.com. Link for that is in the box below. And if you want to subscribe to my channel because you haven't already, make sure you do that. It's free. I upload videos every single week. I hope you guys are having a lovely day, and I'll see you all on the next episode of the Scran Line. But before we do that, I almost forgot. I want to give you a preview of this week's video on my other channel, the Scran Line Everyday, which is my savory recipes channel. This week we made a delicious Vietnamese chicken salad, really easy, quick and juicy poached chicken with lots of crunchy vegetables and a sweet and sour dressing. I'm not going to go too much on about this because it tastes as good as it looks. So check out the recipe on my website. Hit the description box below for the link to the actual video, and make sure you subscribe to my second channel while you're there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoy the Vietnamese chicken salad, and I'll see you all on the next episode of the Scran Line. By the way guys, I am so tired. Having a newborn is no joke.